Hello. After Bulgaria's entry into the European Union, there has been a growing interest among foreign investors in the country. A common practice among these investors is to deploy their trusted and qualified personnel to manage and oversee operation in Bulgaria. This is often include supervising activities and providing training to the local staff, ensuring a seamless integration of international expertise into the business operations. When appointing a foreigner, a citizen of a member state, to an employment contract in the company registered in Bulgaria, a work permit is not required, as well as A1 certificate regarding applicable insurance legislation. Under this employment contract, social security, health insurance, and other taxes are paid according to the Bulgarian tax laws. Due to increasingly frequent use of possibly of working remotely or so-called home office, it is possible for foreign persons to be appointed to a Bulgarian company and work from abroad. In this case, the persons do not reside in Bulgaria and have no requirements and reason to pay insurance and tax in Bulgaria. Upon presentation of A1 certificate to the Bulgarian authorities for the applicable legislation, individual may work an employment contract with Bulgarian company but be insured in other country of residence, where is their center of vital interest. In this case, the Bulgarian company needs to be registered as a foreign insurer abroad in order to be able to withhold and pay the required tax and insurance according to the foreign legislation. Before concluding an employment contract with an EU citizen, it's necessary the person must have a residential address in the country which is proven by a residential rental contract. The person should obtain a foreign service number from the National Revenue Agency at the address of a resident in the country. If the person is not in Bulgaria, an identification number of a foreigner in National Revenue Service can be done, obtained through his employer only with the express notarized power of attorney. A citizen of European Union resides in the Republic of Bulgaria with a valid identity card or a valid passport for a period up to 3 months. The certificate of long-term residence is for a period up to 5 years, after which certificate of permanent residence is obtained. If the person has legally reside continuously for 5 years in the Republic of Bulgaria, or if he can meet certain conditions detailed in the Article 60 and the same law. In addition to a certificate of long-term permanent residence, EU citizen can request and be issued a certificate of long-term or permanent resident on a card carrier. The cardholder certificate contains additional data such as photo of the person, personal number of a foreigner, and also address. If the person has issued a personal number as of a foreigner, an application is submitted to the National Revenue Agency to delete the service number of a foreigner so it's not to cause confusion in tax insurance system. When the EU citizen resides in Bulgaria for a longer period of time, he is assigned an employment contract, a personal doctor should be selected. Thank you, like the video and subscribe if you want more videos.